Good morning, guys. Today I am making avocado toast with these broccoli and Parmesan egg bites that I got from my HUNGRYROOT box. They are 60 calories each and it just comes with one. So I'm going to be chopping up this yummy tomato. Then I'm going to be adding this everything but the bagel seasoning because it is so good. If you guys haven't tried it, you should. And then I'll be topping it with the tomato and then chopping some of this egg bite up and then adding it to the top. So as I'm chopping it, just so you guys know, the consistency is very creamy. It's not like normal egg, it's a little bit mushy. I'm a very big texture person and I'm not really digging this texture here, but we'll see how it tastes. And this is the final look.
So taste-wise, it's actually pretty good. It smelled a little bit strange because it had broccoli and feta cheese or something like that in it. And the consistency when I tried to cut it was really mushy. So it's not like a thick or hard consistency. I mean, it's thick, but it's very like, I could probably, I don't know, like spread it or something. So it's kind of weird, but it actually tastes really good.
Next for the day, I'm going to have this basil zucchini white bean salad. It says that this is for a snack, gluten-free, vegan. Let's see, about 2 servings, so half a cup, and it's 130 calories. I think I might just have this whole thing for lunch, actually. I hope I have some pita bread, but either way, it looks like it's going to be good. I peeled this off already. It actually smells really good. It's quite potent because you can definitely smell the garlic in it and the spices, but I don't know, it's like in a good way. It smells really good. So let's see some of the ingredients besides the beans, zucchini, yellow pepper, green onion, lemon juice. I can definitely smell the citrus in it, roasted garlic, pesto blend. That's also what I could smell a lot of, is the pesto inside of it. I love pesto. So if you guys do 2, then this should be a good option. And then I do have just this small bowl of mango also cut up. So now it's time for dinner and I have defrosted this grilled chicken breast. It is fully cooked. All you have to do is throw it in a pan for 2 minutes on each side and just heat it up. Then we have these multi-grain sandwich buns. They're about 180 calories each. Then we're going to grab 2 of these creamy cheddar rounds. We're going to either chop it up or you can grate it, but I'd rather not use my grater, so I'm just going to chop it up really quick. And the last thing the recipe calls for is some of their green chili. I've tasted a little bit of this and it does taste really good. So 2 tablespoons is about 35 calories. So now that I have all the cheese sliced up, I'm going to add a little bit of this green chili at the bottom. Next, we're going to add the chicken on top. You can actually slice up your chicken, that way you can distribute it more evenly, but I'm just going to put the whole thing on here. And then I'm going to add some more of this green chili because it tastes so good. So we're going to top that off and we are done. Dinner in less than 10 minutes. And with this, of course, I'm going to be having lots and lots of water. So this is your daily water reminder. If you haven't, drink your water. Because a healthy, hydrated body feels much more invigorated than a dehydrated one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love ya. Bye.